After graduating locally, I worked for the Singapore government before venturing to Shanghai to do my MBA, and I stayed on to work for many years. But my contact and my understanding of business challenges started way before that, during my primary school years where I helped out in the family business. My father is an orchid farmer who grows and exports orchid flowers overseas. So being a small business and being part of it gives me an understanding of what are the difficulties that they've experienced. I love being a trainer because it gives me a chance to meet different people from different backgrounds and share thoughts, feelings about life experiences, when shared, helps each of us gain insights into the different world that each and every one of us experience.
Mia, she's very lively, so she's able to engage the participant quite well. So I find that the interaction is really keeps me going and be able to pay attention during the course. Mia, she is very approachable. Throughout the course, she shared very practical examples. Like for examples, what's a better way of asking questions when it comes to the coaching process during the whole of developing a plan for your staff, and also to analyze what is their learning needs.
Mia is able to cite many examples to bring many concepts together so that it's very practical for you to apply in real life.
Mia is a very friendly trainer, engaging. She does brings out the fun in the class, bubbly, shares a lot of her own personal experience, and we get to learn from her. So in the workshop, we get to get hand-on practice with the tools that is being introduced, so that actually helps us to be able to actually adopt it so that we can actually utilize it in our working environment.
The course has been interesting. It has increased my knowledge, helped me to understand more about how to identify the learning needs of the staff as well as the gaps and how to work towards reducing those gaps. Mia has been very helpful. She has given a lot of experiences, her own experiences that I can take home and apply, especially with relation of how I can conduct my interviews and also coach my staff.
I also enjoy helping people gain more empathy towards what other people might be feeling or experiencing, whether is it a client, a customers, or colleagues or team members that they manage. Because sometimes we are so busy with our work, you really need to pause and have a good chit-chat with each other before you can see or experience or see things from a different perspective.